A limited liability company, commonly called an LLC, is one of the most popular business structures for small business owners in Cherokee County and throughout Oklahoma. Many people casually call it a limited liability corporation, but the correct term is usually limited liability company. An LLC is not exactly the same as a corporation, although both can provide liability protection when properly formed and maintained. Why business owners use LLCs? The main reason many Cherokee County business owners form an LLC is liability protection. If the LLC is properly operated, the business debts and obligations usually belong to the company rather than the individual owners. This can help protect the owner's personal homes, vehicles, bank accounts, and other personal assets from ordinary business liabilities. However, liability protection has limits. An owner may still be personally responsible if they personally guarantee a debt, commit fraud, mix personal and business money, fail to follow basic business formalities, or personally cause harm to another person. An LLC is a valuable tool, but it does not protect against every risk. LLCs are flexible. An LLC is often easier to manage than a corporation. A corporation usually has shareholders, directors, officers, bylaws, stock records, and formal meeting requirements. An LLC can be more flexible. The members can decide how the company will be managed, how profits will be divided, how votes will be counted, and what happens if an owner leaves, dies, becomes disabled, or wants to sell their interest. These rules are usually placed in an operating agreement. Even a small family business should consider a written operating agreement to prevent future disputes among owners. How an Oklahoma LLC is formed. To form an Oklahoma LLC, the business owner generally files articles of organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. Oklahoma also requires LLCs to keep their registration active by paying an annual fee to the Secretary of State. The Oklahoma Business Portal states that an LLC must pay a $25 annual fee to keep its registration active and in good standing. Depending on the type of business, the owner may also need to register with the Oklahoma Tax Commission, obtain local licenses, apply for an employer identification number, set up payroll accounts, or comply with industry-specific rules. Forming the LLC is only one part of properly starting a business. LLCs and taxes. An LLC can offer tax flexibility. A single-member LLC is often treated differently from a multi-member LLC for tax purposes. Some LLCs may also elect to be taxed as corporations or S corporations if they qualify. The right tax choice depends on income, payroll, ownership, distributions, expenses, and long-term business goals. Because tax issues can become complicated, business owners should speak with a CPA or tax professional before deciding how the LLC should be taxed. Why an LLC matters for Cherokee County businesses. Cherokee County businesses may use LLCs for many types of operations, including rental property, construction, trucking, retail, professional services, farming-related businesses, restaurants, consulting, and family-owned companies. An LLC can make the business appear more professional, help separate business and personal finances, and create a structure for growth. Still, forming an LLC does not replace good business practices. Owners should maintain a separate business bank account, keep accurate records, sign contracts in the company's name, avoid mixing personal and business funds, carry appropriate insurance, and keep the LLC in good standing with the state of Oklahoma. Before forming an LLC, speak with an experienced Oklahoma business attorney. Proper legal planning can help you choose the right entity, prepare an operating agreement, protect your personal assets, and give your Cherokee County business a stronger foundation.